Hello everyone, got a product here from Verolink. It's a car charger to plug into your cigarette lighter. And just a second here. But it's a charger from Verolink and it's for your car or your truck. And they sent it, well, didn't send it to me, they gave me a discount on it and I ordered it off Amazon. And it comes in this box here with, I don't know if you can read that or not, just says car charger compatible with various fast charging protocols. In it you get a little card that says happy on one side with a question mark and not happy on the other side. These come with an 18-month guarantee, so if you get that long out of them, it's really good. Usually they don't last that long for me. But they just pretty much want to know if you're happy or not with them, so you just let them know, you know, in the messages or whatever on your reviews. Comes packed really good in this foam, and it's held in there pretty good, all except when you throw them on the floor. But it's got two different ports on it. One's a Type-C and the other's the USB. And the USB is what I usually use all the time, but they're both supposed to be fast chargers. The Type-C is 27 watts or 24 watts it says, and the other one is 3. So they're both supposed to be fast charging, and has a little indicator light on it too, for when you're charging or got it plugged in, so you know it has power to it. I'm not in my vehicle today, but I do have a cigarette lighter port on my one jump starter, and we're going to use it. So I will plug it into it. I'll see if I can focus the camera on it. Or maybe I can do it with one hand here. Go ahead and plug that in. And as you can see, the light came on to show that it's got power to it. So I'm going to set the camera down like that so you guys can watch it. And I got an iPhone here that I'm going to plug into it. It's the iPhone XR. We'll go ahead and plug that in. And as you can see, it started charging and it's coming on now. But from what I've seen on reviews online for these, they're made really good, and the reviews are excellent on them. So they also gave me a code for you to order them and get a discount. So if you put in, go to Amazon, I'll put the link down below. Put in the discount code 40 and my channel name, MrJustDIY, and you'll get 40% off till midnight on the 28th. And after that, they said they would give me another code that I can put on here for after the Black Friday deals are done that they're going to run. So when that comes up, I will put the new code down below. So don't forget to like my videos, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification button, and have a great day, everyone.